Top 9 Fire Poi Tricks for Beginners.
What's up, Flomies? Jesse Hart here. Welcome to the Full Circle Phenomenal channel. And welcome to the Piedras Blancas Glacier here in Patagonia, Argentina. Catherine and I driving around the whole world, teaching and performing flow arts fire spinning on the Unite the World Firsthand global movement. We're already 29 students in. If you would like to learn, you have 3 options. 1, sponsor your own tutorial, and we'll put it right up here on YouTube that you can come back to at your leisure and learn many different things from us. 2, take private lessons with us online. We have a 9-session course ready for you to get ready to fire spin. Or you can meet us somewhere around the world. We often stay in particular places for extended periods of time and will train you in person. Our next one's going to be in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, January of 2023. Check in with our social media and our website to find out when more will be on later dates. Today I'm going to demo for you all the beginner tricks that should be learned in order to advance into more intermediate tricks. You'll learn all of these tricks from us, so stay tuned for more. Got your fire poi? Let's get started.
When practicing with fire, be sure to have all the safety equipment and experience as necessary before you burn. Click this link in the cards to watch a video we created about having safe fire spinning practices. Today I've got fire safe attire of a cotton sweatshirt, my hair pulled back, and Kevlar gloves. Let's fire up. If you've never fire spun before, I recommend having wicks a bit smaller than these ones. Since I've been burning for many years, I've upgraded to bigger wicks. First trick, that really is a skill set, is called the 4 directions, which we're learning about how to turn both poi 90 degrees at a time from our hull plane to our wall planes, hitting cross points, steadily turning in a circle in both directions. If you don't have this mastered yet, I'll provide you a link for another tutorial we have up in the cards that you can practice in your own time. If you do have this down, I recommend doing it also in split time, a little bit trickier here, going 1, 2, 1, 2, both directions also. Then we'll move into some tricks that turn us 180 degrees at a time with the whack the golf ball and over the rainbow. Both hands moving in front of the body at the same time in both directions, steadily turning around. And then not just in front of the body, but behind the body with the reels, specifically the hip and shoulder reels. Noting how I switch my step in order to show you from the front and from behind. Being able to turn around in a circle in both directions this way. You can combine these 3 sets of tricks all together for a pretty nifty combo. And we'll be covering more about how these all relate together in future tutorials. Next is the Watermills and the Windmills. 2 different tricks, but actually quite similar. The only difference being one is overhead, the windmill, and one is with the arms down low, the watermill. We want to get comfortable with this, especially with an object of fire spinning around your head. Our instincts are to duck or to flinch. Don't forget to go in both directions. And practice this with a day prop first. Don't go into any of these tricks with fire automatically. Biggest, most important thing I can say. Next is the corkscrew, which is similar to the windmill, but now we're going with the horizontal plane in both directions. It's a split time trick. Notice how I'm going one up, then the other follows. From that, we up the ante a little bit, bringing the poi together into the butterfly. Crossing the tethers, this is one of those tricks that you'll see from the side here, though it looks like they would hit in a flat plane. They actually cross just a little bit. This is one of those tricks that you'll realize once you start visualizing it right, your body muscle memory will put it together. Next is the 2-beat weave. 1 arm over, 1 arm under. Going 1, 2 on one side, 1, 2 on the other. 1 at a time, and then being able to do it a series of times, and then you switch with the other arm over, other arm under, and this prepares us for putting into the extra beat, the 3-beat weaves. This one, the forwards 3-beat weave, this is all we need to cover as beginners, but in time you'll want to be able to turn it around and do the reverse 3-beat weave, because eventually we'll combine these 2 with the windmill, and all these together become the fountain, your first, or many people's first intermediate trick. And as you can see here, it looks quite dazzling. It can become a wonderful show quite quickly when we learn how to combine all these tricks together. Last and certainly not least are the Buzzsaws. Exploring the inside plane, now getting that fire right up in your face for the brave beginners. Going down low, going up high. Eventually we will combine these from side to side, moving them into buzzsaw flowers in a series of different ways with a series of different amounts of beats. Can create a lot of different amazing techniques. Alright, yes, feeling inspired? You can get all of these tricks down in less than a month with our training regimen. Send us a message. Don't forget to like, share this with your friends, and subscribe. Click this video link right here for more fire spinning, and this video link here to see more of our journey touring around the whole world. Check out the links in the video description for some fire spinning freebies. Our gratitude for you staying until the end of this video. Thanks for watching.